Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. Welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 372nd episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of you another amazing cookie recipe. We're going to make potato chip cookies. That's right, sugar, potato chip cookie. We're going to add some potato chips into our cookies to give them great sweet and salty flavor. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And if you're looking for a different, unique twist on cookies, y'all going to love these. These are scrumptious and spectacular. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cookies recipes playlist and my previous video, peanut butter chip cookies. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your butter, your chocolate chips, and your potato chip sugar, because we're about to bake some potato chip cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl I have 2½ cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to give all this a quick whisk until it's well combined. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature. And into our butter, we're going to add in 1 cup each of white and packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream all these ingredients together until they're fluffy. On medium speed. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 at a time. And these are large eggs. Mix those in real good. Next it's time to add in our extracts. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla and ½ teaspoon of pure almond. To continue mixing until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, next it's time to add in the flour mixture. Add it a little at a time. Mix until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what the cookie dough looks like. Nice and thick. Alright, that looks great. Now it's time to add in our last few ingredients. Our nuts and chocolate chips. For this recipe, I'm using 1 cup each of chopped walnuts and white chocolate chips, or you can use chopped pecans or semi-sweet milk or dark chocolate chips. And last but not least, the star of the show, our potato chips. I'm using 2 cups of Pringles, or you can use any potato chips. And I crushed them up. And fold all these ingredients in. This is going to be so good. What's your favorite kind of potato chips, my friends? Let me know down below in the comment section. Alright my friends, now I covered my cookie dough with some plastic wrap. So now we're going to put it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for about 1 hour until it's firm. Alright, I'll see you in an hour. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cookie dough out of the refrigerator. It's nice and firm. So now we're going to put them in a 9x13-inch long cookie sheet that lined with parchment paper, or you can use foil, or you can spray the whole pan. So using my spoon, just going to roll them into balls. Just like that. I'm going to put them on the pan. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish rolling the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, now ready to put our cookies in the oven. We're going to put them in a preheated 350-degree oven and we're going to let them bake for about 11 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my potato chip cookies out of the oven. And the smell is incredible up in this kitchen. See how nice and golden brown they are around the edges? Those look great. So now I'm going to let them cool on the wire rack for a few minutes. And then I'll put it on my cake stand and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Potato chip cookies. Don't they look delicious? I know it sounds weird adding potato chips and cookies, but I promise you, it is super duper yummy. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh yeah, look at that cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Look at the inside. Oh yeah. You can see the walnuts and the white chocolate chips. Mmm. Chewy. I love the saltiness and the crunchiness from the potato chips and the walnuts. Yum-o. Sweet goodness. These are marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Potato chip cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.